Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's review, we're diving into the Haoguo AC Main 6-Position Circuit Breaker Panel. A product that's truly the best in its class when it comes to marine, RV, and yacht electrical systems. If you're looking for a reliable, easy to install, and high-quality circuit breaker panel, this one ticks all the boxes. So, let's get right into it. The Haoguo AC Main 6-Position Circuit Breaker Panel is designed with both functionality and safety in mind. Whether you're outfitting a boat, an RV, or a yacht, this panel offers everything you need to protect your electrical system. What sets it apart from the competition is the fact that it's equipped with both a red reverse polarity LED indicator and a green LED to signal when the system is properly switched on. This makes it super easy to monitor your electrical status, ensuring a safe operation every time. One of the standout features of this panel is its build quality. Made from anti-rust materials, it's ideal for marine environments where corrosion is a concern. This means it's going to last longer, even in harsh conditions. The design also includes a night backlight, which makes reading and operating the panel a breeze, even in low-light situations. You won't have to worry about fumbling around to find the right switch when the sun sets. When it comes to installation, the Haoguo panel shines. It's pre-wired, which means less hassle for you. All the wiring comes clearly labeled, so even if you're not a professional, you can easily identify where each wire goes. Plus, the panel comes with everything you need to get it up and running, including a free AC isolation back cover, saving you both time and money. It's a simple plug-and-play solution that will save you the frustration of dealing with complicated setups. This panel is designed with versatility in mind, offering 6 positions to handle up to a 30A double-pole circuit breaker and 3 15A single-pole equipment switches. You'll also get 5 empty slots, giving you the flexibility to add more circuits as needed. Whether you're adding new equipment or upgrading your system, the Haoguo panel has you covered. With an emphasis on marine use, this product excels in providing safety for your vessel's AC power source. But it's also perfect for RVs and yachts. The independent electromagnetic switch controls each circuit, ensuring that you can easily manage your electrical system without any risks. To wrap up, the Haoguo AC Main 6-Position Circuit Breaker Panel is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their electrical setup, especially for marine or RV use. It combines reliability, ease of installation, and durability all in one package. If you're serious about keeping your electrical system safe and efficient, this panel is one you should definitely consider. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. And let us know in the comments if you think this is the right circuit breaker panel for your needs.